Now let's talk about how to join or combine sets in Python. There are multiple ways to do this depending on what kind of combination you want. For example, just merge everything, find common items, or even remove duplicates between them. So let's explore all of these options. So what does join sets mean? Joining sets usually means combining the items from two or more sets. Since sets are unordered and don't allow duplicates, Python handles merging in a special way. You'll learn four major operations. So the union method, then update method, then intersection method, and the difference method. So let's first take example of the union method. So union method. Let's say I have a set called set1, and there I have Spider-Man, then Superman, then Iron Man. Let's say I have another set called set2. There I have Superman, then Thor, and let's take Ant-Man as well. Why not? Now look closely. The first set contains a Superman. The second set also contains a Superman. Now if I write here the result variable, which will be a combined set, and after writing the equal sign I can write set1 dot union, and inside parentheses I can pass set2. Now if I write the print statement and pass result and run the code, you'll see it prints Spider-Man, Thor, Ant-Man, Iron Man, then Superman. So instead of keeping Superman twice, it removed one of them. So in those two sets we had 6 values, but after joining them, as you can see, we have 5 values in the result set. Now we can achieve this using the update method as well. So it was the union method. Let me delete this comment. Now let me comment this union method, and if I run the code, you will see there is no output. Now let's achieve the same output using the update method. So what I can do is I can write set1 dot update, and inside parentheses I can pass set2. Now if I write the print statement and pass set1 and run the code, you will see it prints Ant-Man, Superman, Thor, Spider-Man, and Iron Man. But keep in mind that if you follow this way, you will lose the original set1, because after joining the set1 and set2, update method is putting the values of a previous set1 and set2 inside that set1. So we lose the original set1. So it was our update method. So it modifies set1 directly, adding all unique items from set2. Now again, let me comment these lines and see the use case of the intersection method. So intersection method, I will cut these sets from the top and paste them here so you can see properly. I'm gonna take another variable called result, then equal, I'm gonna write set1 dot intersection, and in between parentheses I'm gonna pass set2. Now if I write the print statement and give result there and run the code, you'll see it just prints Superman. So the concept here is we just print the values which are available in the both set. Means that value is common in set 1 and as well as in set 2. This gives you only the common items between the sets. It is great when you are comparing data from two sources and want to know what they have in common. So let me comment these lines as well and see what the difference method does. So I'm gonna write difference method. Okay, so again I'm gonna take the variable result and I'm gonna write set1 dot difference and I'm gonna pass set2. Then I'm gonna write the print statement and pass result there. Now if I run the code, you can see it prints Iron Man, then Spider-Man. So it just prints the value of set 1 which are not available in set 2. As you can see, Superman is available in set 1 but it is available in set 2 as well. That's why it is not printing Superman. If I remove Superman from set 2, then run the code, you'll see it prints Superman as well. So the key here is it will print the elements of set 1 if the particular value is not available in set 2. And that's how you join and combine sets in Python. You have learned how to merge them safely, find what's common, even subtract one set from another. So that's all for now. See you in the next one.